Legend 55.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 0. Umdlalo we-Carling Knockout Cup. Orlando Pirates last season, they were knocked out by Magis last season. On your right, kume i-victim yokuqala yeMagisi last season. On your left, kume i-victim yesibini yeMagisi ya last season. No, but this is akhona uzangihlasela ngayo because sine enemy 1 ya last season. Andazi ukuthi idlale njani. Msinge ufuna kasiphi score ukuthi Magesi idlale njani okanye idlala ngomso. But besise Orlando namhlanje sibukele igame ye-Pirates against Siwelele. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 0. Bokazi, what a goal. But masada ngomdlalo mhlawumbe ukubulisa eqala kunjani?
Shane Incrane that time.
Yeah.
Konje uthini? Yadla emnyama.
Hey! 87th minute goal.
Yo,
While we were silindele iba hlambisa ku extra time, but then a moment of madness. I think igame ezinje wina ngola hlobo where ulindele extra time, then J something special vele yenzeke I goal and then it separates itimbe edlala namhlanje.
champions are playing like that, Shane. It's not over until urefresha final whistle. If you are a champ, kumele kubonakalise entweni ezifana nalezi. Ukuthi if urefra ngashanga i-final whistle,
Ayikapheli.
game ayikapheli, Shane. What a game. Ithi ngibulise everyone la studio, Shane. Ngibulise nawe ngingathatha isikhathi, Shane.
Yeah.
Igame bekahle kakhulu, Shane. What a game, Shane. Gcineni nokubukela igame manje. Yabona ngiyacabanga le game yanamhlanje for Orlando Pirates ngenye igame Orlando Pirates engasho ukuthi yabona swadlalile ama game but igame esiwelele ye-Carling ku last 16 benzima kakhulu
Yo.
benzima kakhulu uma ngithi ngicala ngizama ukuyibheka kahle le game, Shane, beyingayi ku extra time njengoba ubonile isikhathi last time odlala neswelele ku league you beat Swelele nga 80 something minutes.
Yeah.
Namanje kwenza kanjalo kusho kona ukuthi i-game plan yaka coach Siyama beyihle kakhulu, Shane. The way a planning ngakhona for Orlando Pirates uma ungabheka, yes, abacalanga kahle bacale ba rust uma ungabuka banama mistake lapha emuva abo Makhale nabo Khonyane ku center back. So mina ngibona the way beka planning ngakhona for Orlando Pirates wenze kahle kakhulu, Shane. Akukho kunye mhlawumbe ngamblame ngakho because bheka the way Orlando Pirates ikore ngakhona and ubheke nale quality Orlando Pirates inalo. So simbona ucoach udlala le system yakhe 4-1-4-1 unabo Makhale nabo Khonyane uletha what a player uboy uPalito ku left.
Yeah.
Then ngapha banomfollows, Shane. Then bathatha uMagamani udlala phambi kwale back four. La khona assistwa abadlali abafana noSayile if i-team efana neSwelele ilose ball. uSayile uyabuya kubuya nomdlalo ofana noPonsana. Bazojoina bona ku midfield. Why? Because beba packed ku midfield. Beba try ukuvala lama space, lama pockets iOrlando Pirates efuna ukwasebenzisa. That is why monga bheka half time unkululeko uma akhuluma ngale game. Uyasho ukuthi bheka ama interception wala we-Celtic ukuthi mangakanani, more than 10 yama interception. Kusho kona ukuthi bebafuna ukudefenda ku midfield nge-distance, kungabi ne space is enough so that the Pirates ikwazi ukupenetrate la kubo, because the Pirates uma ungayibheka idlala nge-double pivot but bathumela umdlali ofana noNemtajela ukuthi a-add inamba ku-attack kwangathi badlala i-double 10 no really. That is why uma ungabheka i-game plan yakho ukuthi let's pack lesa sisu so that Orlando Pirates ingakwazi ukudlala. Why lona abadlali abane-speed ucoach Siyama kulama winger wenzelani for i-attack if bawina i-ball position, bheka the way ba-attack ngakhona la bebayi-threat ku-Orlando Pirates. Ma bawina le ball they know ukuthi uNduli bazomthola akhona ku position but angana assistant angana teammate ezom-assista or else bazomthola alose shape uNduli, so that sibreaka lapho sibheke uNokovic up front, then uSahile noPotsane they will assist uNokovic going forward. La khona noGape uyajoyina, sometimes uyabuya uassist uMakamani kunozwane in the middle, you understand. So i game plan yakhe benjalo, even though uZwane singambonanga kakhulu udlala akwazi ukudlala most of the time off the ball, wenza ama-foul. Umdlalo uZwane okwazi ukudlala uma nebhola, so bebakamdingela lokho kuZwane uma ungabheka ukuthi uZwane kumele kuye umuntu ozodlalisa lama-winger nale strike esifana noNokovic. So for me game plan yakhe beyihle kakhulu Shane, because bebaba nayo le build up ungabheka, but ngifuna ukutshela into one, uKhonyane was lucky ukuthi acede le game because le ball athole ngalo le penalty yakamahupa. For me, yes, you don't punish a player twice. We understand ukuthi awumpunishing a red card and the penalty. Mina ngendlela understand, but it was a yellow card because uMahupa wakaku scoring opportunity angisho. Bekumele uMahupa alivalele. Na advantage yakamahupa ayizange isebenze. So yini umkhelo o benefit azange athola icard. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi le second le yellow ayithole manje bekumele kube i-second yellow umdlalo ofana noMahupa ube nelakhe, because ungampeka bekuyo umdlalo beka pressure too much la phakathi ukuthi bangavuma uMahupa adlale. We understand always macala uyu umuntu opusha forward ukuthi avale lesa space la khona uMakamani avulele ya gap. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi beka lucky naye umdlalo ofana noKhonyane ukuthi angaceda le game Shane.
Yebo ibonakala ngathi isiwelele ucoach Siema ingathi usettlisha ngokusettlisha kweswele, because if remember uqala kwakhe bengabonakali kahle isiwelele were not getting results up until they played the derby against Marumo Gallants where they won 1-0. Solid performance like game, because I watched that game, they were so good. Namhlanje again you could see ukuthi they were so organized, and there were moments where you feel ukuthi they would have won the game if mhlawumbe it wasn't for that strong defensive line Orlando Pirates. Coach Siema, it seems like uyayibhaqa isiwelele ukuthi indlela abafuna ngayo ne players, I think uyazima understand ukuthi ucoach ufuna sidlale kanjani.
You know masafika eteamini wena Shane kuningi okumele kwenzeka. Remember ukuthi some of management interfere emsebenzini wakho. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi isikhathini samanje bamnikeze le platform as a head coach ukuthi akasebenze ne-team, asebenze nabadlali, because uyabona the way team idlala ngakhona manje uyawenzile ama-changes. Iyizo last time bebaqalile, abonungu bebaqalile, manje sibona cala abadlali abafana nabo Sayile la khona ubaletha ngesub namhlanje, abonungu uletha abadlali abafana nabo Ihizu ngesub. Kusho kona ukuthi ubusy nale team khona kuphekayo, but give credit kubo Palito Shane, the way Palito adlala ngakhona uma ngabe uya attack uPalito ukunikeza something ku final third, and ile nto oyidinga i-recovery kaPalito cishe ingikhumbuza, ngitshelile ngathi ngikhumbuza umdlali ofana noMarco lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs ku left back. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ne-work rate ne-energy enabadlali beCeltic ibasebenzele kakhulu Shane, the way bangakhona ubheke the way bebayi-threat ku-Orlando Pirates, uma bawina ibhola ba-quick ku-progressa ku-the next line la khona i-Orlando Pirates isafuna uku-recover. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ile nto ucoach Siema adila ngayo kakhulu, because i-game plan yakhe uku-read i-opponent kubaluleke kakhulu, because wazile ukuthi manje Orlando Pirates mayidlala ngoNduli idlala ngoNemtatjela, they will push uNemtatjela to join as a 10 unabo ready, so that already la uNduli uzoleka if sothatha ibhola kumele siba expose la khona ba expose khona, kumele si-attack khona siyiswelele. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi simnikeza credit coach Siema, uluzile ngiya understand, but Celtic I mean iswelele they played very well Shane today uma ungabheka, even nale ya loser bayithola ku league badlale right, that was a lack of concentration. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi singabanikeza nabo today abaswelele Shane badlale kahle kakhulu.
Mariko, you came in second half.
Yeah.
There was also la late sub Sipho Mbule, of which I believe is one of the players abazamile change game for Orlando Pirates namhlanje. But Mariko hasn't played much this season. Manengena nje as a cameo, because if my memory serves me well, I think his last game was against Sundowns in the second leg, MTN 8. Namhlanje he came in. What did you make of him?
Yeah. Mariko ngena kwakhe Shane bekufika azolungisa lenkinga lengibona ngathi ucoach ibone kuNduli ukuthi uNduli uluze position. Mawungabheka lela ball usayile khona bekumele ukuthi abe ne-extra touch aphasa uNokovic la khona izosave uChina, ile bhola limoshakala kuphi lapha kuNduli. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi bekangamdingi kuleya position ukuthi uNduli angabi involve especially ku-attack i-Orlando Pirates, akabe khona kugada leya defense i-Orlando Pirates, because ukhuphuka ngama wing back ukhuphuka nangoNomtajelo uya-add number. So kumele sibe ne-3 rest defense. Ungabheka lapha i-rest defense i-Orlando Pirates bengekho right, because uNduli uluza ibhola la khona bekumele luze mhlawumbe umdlalo ofana noNamtatshela while uNduli uzoba khona ukuzenzani ukuzocover kulesa space. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi bekamlethele lokho ukuthi akafika alungise leya midfield adlale as a 6 as a anchor kungabi khona nama movement awayenzayo because Orlando Pirates Shane idlalile Shane the more kuba ne creativity but ngibheka ucoach Orlando Pirates ngathi uconcentrate kakhulu ku attack than ku defense because uyazi ukuthi uma ngizothola ama chances nginabadlali abafana nabo Mremi nodlalo ofana nabo Apolis kuningi okuzoyenzeka but mina ngithini Shane if you are playing Apolis ka right we are playing Umremi ngapha Umremi ukunikeza something kuma box entries aletha ama cross but how can you play Umremi no Apolis while unganamdlalo oyi target man we are playing uMakhupa udlala uyabuya uzodrop uzojoyina ku number 10 la kunabo Namtatshela kuNoril kuyoba khona ne traffic angeke bakwazi ukudlala because you need umabasa in the box so that ukwazi ukuthi lama box entries wabadlala abafana nabo Mremi nabo Apolis bazokunceda lapha eboxini kube nama tap in ngendlela ngisho ngkhona and ngapha badlala baphushela bangene phakathi la khona you allow umdlalo ofana noHoto ukuthi add number allow Libitso ukuthi add number so uma uyodlala ngomdlalo ofana noMakhupa kuyoba nzima ubani bazomthola eboxini so abonile amabhola Rema walethe boxing beyangathola umuntu ushini so mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi uMabasa kule style ase Orlando Pirates the way idlala ngakhona uMabasa uya deserve ukustarta Shane than uMakhupa because ama team amaningi akakunikezi highline la khona ukuthi you rely kuMakhupa to take lawo ma run behind the defense now they play at least abadlali ama team amaningi madlala nePirates abuya kancane emuva azovala lesa space so udingani bavalile ama pockets sebenzisa ama wing njengoba besikhuluma la uNkuleka chaza ukuthi okay Pirates ngiyabona manje abayitholi chance yokudlala la phakathi abasebenzisa lama wing mina I thought bazoletha umdlalo ofana noReed bamkhiphe la ku number 10 balethe uMbule then bathathe uReed ayingale so that uma ku winga uMbule uzokwazi ukuvula i-defense uzoyi-stretch bazovula kuma pockets and remember uReed umadlala as a winger dangerous kakhulu because uyakwazi ukukhatha in decision making so mina ilento bengibona unfortunately uReed walimala Shane I think bekuyonceda kakhulu Orlando Pirates ukuthi udlale ngama winger azokhona ukustretch le defense because uApolis uyambona ukuthi ka right uyakwenza but akakwenzi kahle umadlala ngaku left Apolis uexcella umadlala ku left naye ubombheka bekabaleka kancane angena ngaphakathi so that udinga lo mdlalo ofana noLibitso ayenza ama box entries while unoMabasa lapha eboxini so that umsebenzi uzoba lula for Orlando Pirates but ngiyacabanga nabaluza ama chances amaningi abadlali beOrlando Pirates wena Shane.
Bobuzin, thank you so much my brother for your analysis. Escotini namhlanje Orlando Pirates 1 Siwelele 0. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Thank you.
Sharp kunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.